Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off Snapchat Friend Suggestions. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. You'll be on the camera screen. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Now tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner to access Snapchat settings. In the Settings page, scroll down and tap Notifications. From the notification options, find and select Friend Suggestions. This controls notifications for Snapchat friend recommendations. Toggle it off to disable Snapchat friend suggestions notifications. Once you turn this off, you'll stop receiving notifications about suggested friends to add on Snapchat. Keep in mind that this only turns off the notifications for friend suggestions. You may still see friend recommendations in the Add Friends section, but you won't get push notifications about them anymore. And that's how you turn off Snapchat friend suggestions. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more Snapchat tips and privacy tutorials. Thanks for watching.